Hi guys! Now is September and today we start cook different dishes with backhorn. They are backhorn juice with honey, backhorn jam. We will freeze backhorn to the winter and we will cook a special backhorn oil. Let's go! First, let's make sea backhorn jam. It will be raw. Pour 600 grams of sea backhorn. We use a blender. Now we add sugar in the same volume, 600 grams. Again, we use a blender for mixing. We sterilize banks. Boil them for 3-5 minutes. We pour our raw jam into jars. We close them. And turn them over. This must be done in order to check whether we tightly closed the lids. Let's start preparing concentrated juice. Pour sea backhorn into a cup and grind it again with a blender. Then pour it on a sieve and knead to extract the juice. Use a spoon or rolling pin. We add honey to our resulting juice. We mix it. Pour in sterilized jars. Close and flip. We put the rest of the berries to the pan. We dry them in a frying pan over a small fire for 10-15 minutes. Intermittently interfere. Then we put the dried berries to a jar and pour sunflower or olive oil in a ratio of 1:1. We insist on our future sea backhorn oil for 2-3 weeks. That's all.
As a result, from 2 and 5 kilograms of sea backhorn, you made sea backhorn jam 1,300 grams, frozen sea backhorn 600 grams, concentrated juice 600
grams and sea buckhorn oil 150 grams. Thank you for watching. Put likes, subscribe and goodbye.